So you find the file that you're looking for in the pending folder. This is the file that's been entered by someone who requested a change. So you open the file in Microsoft Word. In the document, you will track your changes and show the markups. So we'll update the rev number. We will delete the revision date and do the same thing in the header. So we'll come into the header, update the revision number, get rid of the revision date for now, and make any other changes to the revision history. Add a new row here with the revision history about what we're changing and the date. And then we go in and accept our tracked changes. So you do a file save as, and you look in your address bar to see if you have SharePoint addresses available, and you find it, find the folder you want to put it in this case the procedure manual pending folder, and click save. You may or may not have access to the SharePoint addresses in a drop-down like that, so you may need to copy the address from the pending folder screen, copy that URL address, and paste it into the address bar on the Save As screen. Paste it into here, and you back it up, delete the end until you get to pending / and then click OK, and then you'll be back into the pending manual folder. So you save it into there, and it wants to know if you want to keep it checked out or discard the checkout. Well, you want to keep it checked out because this is where you're going to add the metadata for that new file, and this is where you would add the new rev level. And close it out. It'll ask you to save. You want to save and check it in, yes. Add any version comments that are appropriate. Click OK. And you refresh your screen, and then you'll see that you have both documents in your pending folder. And you want to make sure both are checked in. So you just check in the original doc. Now they're both checked in. Now you go and create the DCR request. So you click on DCR request and add a new item and enter all of the information on the DCR request. You'll need this off of the document, such as the document number, the title, etc. So in this case, I'm just entering some test data here. And then the names of the people, I'm just going to enter in some fake names. And the document type. Any descriptions of the request. Whatever you think is necessary there. And then for the people, this is for the people that it'll be routed to for workflow. Granted, you'll be entering their names again manually, but this still should match be the same people. And again, I'm just using fictitious names to make it quick and easy. And then you attach the files from the pending folder. Luckily, it opened up right to the folder for us, since that's the last place we were. If not, you could go and search in your address bar for it. And grab one document, click open, click OK, attach file, browse again, grab the other document, open, click OK. So now you see that both documents are on the DCR. Click Save. And the DCR is created. You can see all the information in the fields that we entered. And then you click on the drop-down to start the workflow. Click on the DCR approval workflow. This is where you would enter the names of the people that need to be involved in the approval process, and it is usually last name first because it will actually be real users in the address book. And then you would click start. In this case, I'm clicking cancel, but you would actually click start to start the workflow. So the emails are sent out, people review the document, and hopefully approve the document. And once the document is approved, then you would go back in and move the files around from the pending folder to the revision folder and the approved folder. So you open up the DCR and click edit, and you go down and you delete the files that are on the DCR because we're going to move them from their location in the pending folder. Click save, and we want to make sure that we change the DCR to approved. So now the DCR is complete. Now you go into the pending folder, and under library tools, click open with Explorer, find the document to move to the revision folder, cut it, and move to the revision folder and do a paste. So it's just like using Windows Explorer on your X drive in this case for cutting and pasting documents and moving things around. Do the same thing for the uprev. So before we move the document to the approved folder, we update it with the revision date. We do that there. We also do it in the header. And now the document is ready to be moved in the approved folder. And paste it in there. And you're done with that. So then refresh your screen. You'll see that there are no more documents in the pending folder because you moved them. The down level to the revision and the up level to the approved folder. And then notice that you do need to delete the older version from the approved folder. And click delete, and that's it.